Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you train, the results just don't show up fast enough? That stubborn belly fat won't budge. Your stamina drops halfway, and frustration kicks in. But imagine this. Just a few simple body weight moves done right at home. Torching fat, building lean muscle, and transforming your physique. No gym, no excuses, just you versus you. Today, I'm giving you a complete fat-burning workout that will leave you dripping in sweat, gasping for air, and most importantly, closer to the body you've always wanted. Most people quit because their workouts feel boring, too easy, or show no results. That ends today. This workout blends cardio, strength, and core burn all in one. Every rep, every second is designed to challenge you and push you past your limits. If you're ready, let's begin. Stand tall, jump up, drive one knee towards your chest while bringing the opposite elbow forward. Switch sides, explosive, controlled. This wakes up your entire body. Classic but powerful. Jump out, feet apart, arms overhead. Back in, repeat, keep the rhythm, keep breathing. Hands behind your head. Bring your knee up towards your elbow. Left side, right side. Squeeze those obliques. Feel the burn. Step back and cross behind. Sweep your arms through. Switch sides. This hits balance, core, and glutes. Squat deep. Stand tall. Kick your leg out to the side. Switch sides. This builds legs and balance. Drop down. Kick back. Plank strong. Jump forward. Explode up. Burpees, the king of fat burning. Lie down. Hands by your sides. Flutter your legs quick and tight. Core locked in. Don't let them touch the floor. Plank strong. Drive your knees forward fast. Left, right, left, right. Keep those hips down and go. Legs up. Lift your hips high. Control it down slow. Abs on fire with every rep. Hands behind your head. Elbow to opposite knee. Pedal, twist, control. Feel your core tighten. Lean back. Cross your legs. Now tuck both knees in towards your chest. Out and in, out and in. Keep it tight. Side plank strong. Reach up, twist under and tap the ground. Return and repeat. Control every rep. Forearm plank. Drive your hips up towards the ceiling. Hold, then lower back down. Explosive strength. Final push. Lie back, arms extended. Now crunch up, reaching for your toes. Lower down, repeat. Push through the burn. You're almost done. Workout complete. You crushed it. Most people quit, but you pushed through. That's what transforms bodies and lives. Don't stop here. Click on my next video and take your fitness to the next level. Let's keep moving together.